Scientists have discovered something alarming. The average person eats, drinks, and breathes in enough microplastics every week to equal the size of a credit card. These tiny plastic particles are turning up in our blood, lungs, heart, and even the brain. While research is still uncovering all the long-term effects, we already know they can cause inflammation, stress the liver, and disrupt hormones. But don't worry, your body has built-in systems to get rid of them. And with the right foods, habits, and daily choices, you can give those systems a boost. In this video, we'll go through 10 of the most effective and natural ways to reduce microplastics in your body and lower your exposure. Number 10, start with water. Your kidneys are like the filters in a fish tank. They constantly clean your blood, but they can only work properly if you give them enough water. Without it, waste builds up. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of clean water daily, ideally from glass or stainless steel bottles instead of plastic. Think of every sip as giving your kidneys the rinse they need to wash away tiny particles like microplastics. Number 9, let fiber do the heavy lifting. Fiber acts like a broom in your digestive system. Soluble fiber, found in foods like chia seeds, carrots, oats, and apples, forms a gel in your gut that traps microplastics and carries them safely out in your stool. Fermented vegetables like sauerkraut add an extra boost, feeding the good bacteria that also help keep your gut strong. Number 8, strengthen the gut wall with glutamine. Your intestines aren't just tubes that food passes through. They have a protective lining that acts like a barrier between the food in your gut and your bloodstream. Ideally, this barrier is tight enough to block unwanted particles, but still allows nutrients to pass through. The problem is, when this lining becomes weak or irritated, tiny gaps can open. That's when particles like microplastics or harmful chemicals may slip through and travel to other parts of the body where they don't belong. Glutamine is an amino acid that plays a key role in repairing and maintaining this gut barrier. Think of it as the nutrient that helps seal the cracks so the wall stays strong. It also nourishes the cells that line your intestines, giving them the fuel they need to renew and protect you. You'll naturally find glutamine in bone broth, grass-fed beef, eggs, and leafy greens. It's also available in a simple, tasteless powder you can mix into water or smoothies. By supporting your gut lining with enough glutamine, you reduce the chance of microplastics passing into your bloodstream and help keep them moving safely out of the body instead. Number 7, sweat out the toxins. Your body has more than one way to release waste. Urine and stool do most of the work, but sweat is another important pathway that often gets overlooked. In fact, studies have found plastic-related chemicals like BPA and phthalates in human sweat samples, even when those same chemicals didn't show up in urine. That tells us sweating can clear out certain toxins that your kidneys might miss. You don't need to run a marathon to get the benefits. Light to moderate activities that raise your body temperature, like brisk walking, working in the garden, taking a hot bath, or spending time in a sauna, can all encourage healthy sweating. The key is consistency, giving your body that extra outlet on a regular basis. Just make sure to drink enough water and replace lost minerals with a pinch of sea salt or mineral-rich foods afterwards. Number 6, give your liver a helping hand with sulfur. Think of your liver as the hardest working cleaner in your body. Every day, it's busy breaking down toxins, chemicals, and yes, even microplastics. Many of these plastics act like fat-loving substances, which means they like to hide in fatty tissues and are harder to get rid of. Your liver has the special job of converting them into water-loving forms, so they can finally leave through your urine or stool. But here's the thing. Your liver can't do this work without the right tools, and one of the most important is sulfur. Sulfur-rich foods like onions, garlic, cabbage, broccoli, and eggs help your liver produce glutathione, often called the body's master antioxidant. It's like giving your detox system fresh batteries, so it keeps running smoothly. You don't need anything fancy. A side of steamed broccoli at dinner or scrambled eggs with onions in the morning are simple, everyday meals that quietly give your liver exactly what it needs to keep plastics moving out of your system. Number 5, keep your lymph flowing. Your lymphatic system is like a quiet cleanup crew that runs alongside your blood circulation. Its job is to carry away waste, toxins, and even tiny particles like microplastics from your tissues. The catch is, unlike your blood, it doesn't have a heart to pump it around. It only moves when you move. That's why even gentle activity makes a difference. A short walk after meals, a few easy stretches, or slow belly breathing can all help push lymph fluid along. Some people like using a mini trampoline, but you don't need special equipment. Even standing up and marching in place for a few minutes at home gives your body that little extra push to keep waste moving out. Number 4, strengthen your gut bacteria. Inside your gut lives an entire community of tiny microbes, and some early research suggests a few of them may even help break down plastics. They're like little workers that quietly protect your health. The problem is, everyday things like stress, antibiotics, or too much processed food can throw this community off balance, making it harder for them to do their job. You can strengthen these microbes by eating foods that support them. Probiotic-rich options such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut add helpful bacteria back in. A variety of colorful fruits and vegetables provide the fiber those microbes thrive on. When your gut bacteria are well fed and balanced, it's like having a reliable cleanup crew living inside you, working day and night to keep your system running smoothly. Number 3, restorative sleep for brain detox. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's also when your brain does its deepest cleaning. Your brain has a special system called the glymphatic system that acts like a nighttime janitor. While you're asleep, it flushes out toxins, waste products, and even microplastics that build up during the day. When you don't get enough quality sleep, that waste lingers, and over time, it can take a toll on memory, focus, and overall health. Most adults need around 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet makes it easier for your body to reach those deep, restorative stages. A calming routine before bed, such as turning off screens an hour early, doing some light reading, or sipping on chamomile tea, signals your brain that it's time to shift into cleanup mode. Number 2, fasting and autophagy. Try fasting for a deeper cleanup. Plastics are sometimes called forever chemicals because they linger for years, but your cells have a recycling process called autophagy, where they clean out old proteins and pollutants. One of the best ways to trigger it is intermittent fasting, even going 16 hours without food once or twice a week. Green tea, turmeric, and berries can also support this cleanup process. Think of it as spring cleaning at the cellular level. And finally, at number 1, reduce daily exposure. Of course, the best way to stay healthy is to lower the amount of plastic you take in each day. A few simple swaps make a big difference. Store food in glass or stainless steel instead of plastic. Avoid microwaving food in plastic containers. Use natural fabrics like cotton or wool instead of polyester. Switch to bamboo toothbrushes and plastic-free tea bags. Install a home water filter if you can. These changes don't just protect you, they also help protect the environment for the next generation. Microplastics may feel impossible to avoid, but small, steady habits can make a big difference. By drinking enough water, eating fiber and sulfur-rich foods, moving daily, and making smart swaps at home, you give your body the tools it needs to clean itself naturally. Which of these steps will you try first? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And if you'd like to support the channel, don't forget to check out our merch right below this video. Every purchase helps us keep creating free health content. You can also tap the Super Thanks button to show your appreciation directly. Thank you for watching. And as always, we wish you good health and happiness.